To set up a fingerprint on your Samsung Galaxy M17e is simple. You're going to open up the Settings app, and then from here, you're going to scroll and select the option Lock Screen. Next, tap on Screen Lock and Biometrics, and you should see Fingerprints. So go ahead and select it. If you haven't yet set up a PIN, password, or pattern, you will be prompted to do so. Once you've chosen your preferred option, go ahead and select it. But if you have set up your PIN, password, or pattern, then you'll be brought directly to this page, this one right here. So all you need to do is simply go ahead and select Continue, and then put your finger on the sensor. So the sensor is the side button, so go ahead and place your finger and lift and place it again in different angles, ensuring that you cover the sensor as you go ahead and add your fingerprint. Once you've successfully added your fingerprint, you can tap and add to add another one, or you can select done and finish up that process from there. So now, say for example, your phone is locked and you want to unlock it, you can choose to use your PIN, password, or pattern, or you can use your fingerprint to unlock your device. Thanks for watching. If you have questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.